Okay, so you don't want to square both sides here, right? You want to isolate this term. Okay, and then if you actually, squaring both sides is not enough. You actually need to raise both sides by a power of 4 here. Okay, and you get x minus 2 squared. You get 28 minus 2x. Okay, that will turn into 1, that will turn into 2. Now you got to expand this. Okay, so you get x squared. If you add both sides by 2x, you get minus 2x. Subtract both sides by 28 is minus 24. So I think 6 and 4 works. X minus 6 and x plus 4. So x equals 6 or negative 4. Okay. Okay, so if you plug in x equals negative 6 in here, you get 4 to the power of half, 28 minus 12 to the power of 1 over 4. That's 2 minus, right? This is 2 squared. This is 16, so that's 2. So 6 works. Negative 4, you know, if you try to plug in negative 4 in here, you get negative 6. You cannot square root a negative value. Okay, that's an imaginary number. So this is an extraneous root.